I hope you guys are all having an amazing day wherever you are. I wanted to come on here and make this video because I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that maybe do some last minute Christmas shopping, and so I wanted to give you guys a really cool, really meaningful gift that I think that you can give someone that you love, and that is a forever note. So if you haven't heard of this before, I'm going to tell you all about it. I actually did one for Snow, and this is a gift that not only is going to last a lifetime, but probably be passed down through generations, and it's such a special and meaningful gift. So basically how it works is you go onto this website called forevernote.com. Forevernote.com is a website that makes it easy for you to preserve your loved one's memories into a beautiful book. It's really cool because whoever you're giving this book to, you can basically find out things about your family or your loved ones that you had no idea about. I know that even till this day, I'm still learning things about my parents that I never knew, and I love learning about them, and unfortunately they're not gonna always be here, and so it's gonna be really nice to be able to preserve those memories or stories that they would want us to know into a book that we'll be able to, you know, read and cherish, and I just think it's really cool. These books are professionally transcribed, edited, and designed, and similar services that do something like this can cost anywhere up to $2,000, and these start out at just $99. And for that price, it's really good for what you get and what they're offering. It's super simple. You basically sign up your loved one and you schedule them with a time to speak with a trained biographer, and then the team transcribes the audio, and you get to keep that, by the way, so that's pretty cool too. And then they professionally edit and design a beautiful book for you. So I did the process myself, and they made it really easy. It was kind of uncomfortable, like the things I talk about in this book, just because they're very personal, and the person that I was speaking with was so sweet, and it felt like talking to an old friend. I didn't feel uncomfortable during the interview or anything, you know, talking about certain parts of my life that maybe, you know, some people wouldn't feel comfortable talking to people with. So yeah, they made me feel very comfortable, and it was really easy. And they also asked me really great questions to try to get like the full story. And I'm going to show you what the book looks like on the inside, because you could add pictures. It's really cool. So if you're a parent that wants to get something like this for your kids, it's not too late, because forevernote.com also has gift cards that you can give for Christmas time, so I would highly recommend that. But I wanted to just kind of show you guys my book and what it looks like, and I decided to do a book for Snow and kind of tell her the story of how she got here, because as most of you guys know, that was a total journey for us. We did IVF, but it wasn't just like any normal IVF process. We had a lot of bumps along the way, and I kind of explained that and kind of our journey to having her. And I thought it would be fun to title the book When Two People Love Each Other, because, you know, a lot of times when kids get older, they're like, Mommy and Daddy, like, how are babies made? And not all babies are made equally or the same, and I wanted to be able to share that story with Snow when she is old enough to ask, and we'll be able to kind of explain that to her, and also for when she gets even older to really understand the story on how she got here. And I think it's just such a special story of how she got here, and she's such a little miracle that I want her to know that, and I never want her to forget it. And so being able to make a book like this is priceless to us. I know that our family will treasure this book forever, and I hope that she does also. And so I'll go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like, but I liked naming it When Two People Love Each Other, because, you know, that's always how, you know, people say how babies are made, and her story is a little bit different. So that's why I wanted to title it that, because I thought it was cute. So now I'll show you what the book looks like on the inside. So it's a really great quality, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And so they asked me all these really great questions, you know, that I didn't even think of to be able to make this story. So as you could see, we were able to add pictures in, and the pictures are really great quality. Like, the whole book is just really great quality. So let's see if I can find some other pictures that I put in there. Oh yeah, here's another one from the cover of the book. Everything about it is really, really great quality. And I would highly recommend something like this, just because it is such a special gift, and it's so unique and different. And I just think it's really, really cool to be able to have something like this to pass on, and it's a gift that lasts forever. So if you've waited last minute, but you really want to get a very special gift for someone that you love, I would highly recommend getting a book like this from Forevernote. They're actually doing something really special right now that they don't normally do, which is give you guys 20% off. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for a 20% off coupon code if any of you guys want to get something like this holiday season. And remember that you don't have to just get this for the holiday time, you can get this for birthdays, anniversaries, you know, anything that you want. So definitely, if you don't get it now, keep it in mind for the future. A really, really cool, special, meaningful, unique gift that they're gonna be able to keep forever. You know, it's your legacy. If you want your stories to stay alive, definitely get one of these. And I do want to say thank you so much to Forevernote for sponsoring this video and gifting me with this beautiful book, because I absolutely love this and I would have bought this if they didn't send it to me for free. So thank you so much, Forevernote, again, for sponsoring this video. Again, I'll leave all the information down below if any of you guys want to get this. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'm sending you all my love and all my positive energy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Mwah!